Welcome to 2444 East Lincoln Circle. I'm Jordan Page, and this is an exclusive America One luxury listing. This 4-bed, 4-bath, over 5,000 square foot home is a Phoenix landmark with its white columns adorning the hillside next to the famed Phoenix Mountains Preserve. Also known as Casa Di Arancio, the home has the look and feel of a world-class resort. In fact, it is a luxury vacation rental. It has 5-star reviews on both VRBO and Airbnb, making this not only a great home, but also a great investment opportunity. As you approach the home, you're greeted by this great patio space that offers panoramic 270-degree views from downtown Phoenix up to Pièce du Roi Peak. There's actually 4 levels of exterior space here, all inspired by Utah's dramatic Amangiri resort for 4 areas of incredible entertainment. Now, I don't usually do this, but for this house, I want to show you the outdoor space first, and then I'll show you the inside. So come on. Around here, we have a resort-style pool and spa, nestled up against the mountains and giving you breathtaking views of the valley below. And right here, this custom-built fire pit allows a great place for you to just relax, kick back, and drink up some of the best views in the city. Now down here below, we have a lower landing lined with some fresh magnolias that'll create a secluded space for having big gatherings or just a fun place to play with your pet. So this home just underwent a $1.3 million luxury renovation. So let's go ahead, without further ado, check it out. At over 5,000 square feet, this home is an expansive retreat with refined touches throughout. Notice the hardwood floors here. The natural wood blends in seamlessly with the environment outside. The chef's kitchen is an entertainer's dream, complete with built-in Miele appliances, a leather double waterfall Taj Mahal island, and the huge retractable door here connects the kitchen to the outdoor bar space, keeping the good times going from indoors to out. Each of the 4 bedrooms in this home has a private terrace access. And how many terraces can say they have views like that? Welcome to the master suite. In here we have a wraparound terrace, giving you panoramic views of the valley. In the bathroom over here, a gorgeous shower, great tile work, and this tub, this terrazzo tub, is actually solid stone and so heavy that it had to be craned over the roof and placed here in the bathroom. Incredible. And there you have it. This home is fun, luxurious, expansive, and has breathtaking views all the way around. That's what Casa Di Arancio is all about. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me today. I had fun making it, hope you had fun watching it. And please, if you like this video, don't forget, like, follow, and subscribe so I know to make more of them for you. Until then, see you around.